life gets in the way. Never knew that it would be this way, trying to follow everything you say. Isn't it funny how life gets in the way? Angry words that I have said, haunting me inside my head. Wish I'd done things differently instead. Then I could have to say there's got to be another way. When I look up I see there's new mercies there every day. New mercies there. Your love's everywhere. Like a breath there. New mercies there. Only God can make sense of this mess. Sometimes this life really puts us to the test. Jesus came to redeem our brokenness. Never knew that it could be this way, trying to follow everything you say. Learning to abide in Him every day. Feelings used to pull me down, often feeling like I might drown. Now I'm standing, Lord, on your solid ground. Now I cry out to say, Jesus is the only way. When I look to Him, everything begins to change.